Hello everyone, how are you today? This is Angelino again with you today, and today I want to teach you about a site that can calculate for you the eBay and PayPal fees when you sell something, okay? So it's very simple. The video will be short, not that hard and not that long, okay? So before we start, if you are new on my channel, don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe. If you liked my channel, that will be helpful for me. Thank you a lot, and that will make me put new videos every few days for you and made a few videos how to make money online free. So now let's start about the site. Okay, the site called finalfeecalc.com. Okay, that is the site, and I will make an example how it works so you can understand what I'm talking about. Okay, sold price, what the price that you sold it for. Okay, let's say 25, something that you can calculate also, and you will understand it easy. Shipping charge is 0. I don't charge for shipping in my account. Okay, here also shipping cost 0 because I do drop shipping, so I don't pay for shipping because it's free shipping from the supplier. So I don't need any drop shipping cost or something. Okay, item cost. Hmm, let's say item cost. I sold something with 25. Let's say it cost me $30. $13. Okay. Now, sorry. Let's go back. Just a second. Sorry for that. Again, we'll try it again. 25. Here is 0. Here also 0. Here I said $13. Okay. I don't have a store. Okay. Let's say I don't have a store and I'm not a rated seller. Okay. So the fees for eBay will be 2.5 and the fees for PayPal will be 1.03. The fees for PayPal for eBay without any features that you put inside, like seeing the picture more bigger and things like this. Okay, so I will win here. I will get profit $8.50, something like this. Okay, so that's very simple how to calculate feeds. Okay, for PayPal and eBay. That's very good way. And if you want another such, there's a lot of sites like this that can calculate it for you. By Google, you can search and found a lot more. So if you have any question, you can just leave a comment below. If you like my video, don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe. That will be very helpful. Okay, so thank you a lot. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.